Hello world! Ako si Samara, ang pusang gala ng Dinagat Island. If you can see me guys, we're here now in San Jose, Dinagat Island. So I show you all kung gaano kaganda ang Dinagat Island. So marami kasi nagsasabi, yung mga taga Mindanao kapag pumunta dito sa Maynila, baka isipin nila nun matataranta sila, makakita sila ng maraming sasakyan. Oh, excuse me, if you were here in Dinagat Island, hindi mo masasabing kami ay mga ignorante. Anong pinagmamalaki yung mga sakyan na pura di kabok? Dahil sa sobrang dami ng tao at sasakyan sa inyong tahanan. We're now here in Dinagat Island. If you can see me guys, napakalinis sa aming probinsya at sinusigurado ko sa iyo, hindi ka magugutuman kung ikaw ay masipag lamang sapagkat meron kaming malawak na karagatan at malawak na lupain na inyong pagtamnan. Kaya kung here we now in Dinagat Island, masipag ka lang for sure, hindi ka magugutuman unless kung ikaw ay tamad-tamad, pumunta ka lang sa Maynila at mamalimos for sure, may pagkain ka dyan. And narito ng ating Pedisumada Nationwide, dito in April 22, 2024. Hello world, kasi sa Maram, pusang galan din Nuggets Island. Of course, here we now sa ating given of 422. And of course, here we now sa ating legendary 2024. Sa ating number 4, ice number 913. And of course, sa ating 22, ice number 1921. Sa ating number 20, ice number 1730. And of course, sa ating 24, ice number of 1734. And of course, for the very first lucky numbers, 19 plus 13 equals to 22. And 19 plus minus 21 is equals to 3. And of course, our very first lucky number is 22-3. And for another lucky numbers, 17 minus 30 equals to 13, and 17 minus 34 equals to 17. So our second lucky numbers is number 1317. And now let's proceed to our strongest number for today, FL22 2024. 22 plus equals to 25, and 13 plus 7 equals to 30. So our strongest number for today is number 2530. Of course, I think 25 represents 34. At the third episode went 12. So the strongest number for today is number 2530, 2512, 2534, 3012 maging ang 3034 or 3412. And that is for now. Don't forget to like and to subscribe my channel para kang updated. Ako si Samara, ang pusang gala ng Nuggets Island. Subscribe!